Hi everyone, this is my smart plant watering system with Raspberry Pi Pico wireless. This is the Raspberry Pi Pico and its power has just been turned on. These LEDs should light up at the same time, blinking a few times, to show that it's connected to the Wi-Fi. The soil moisture sensor is in the dry soil. The red LED is lighted up showing low soil moisture in the soil. A notification has appeared on the phone showing that the pot plant is dry and is giving me a reading of what percentage it is. The pump has pushed water through into this container. I am now transitioning the soil moisture sensor into the wet soil. The white light has turned on. This is showing that there is high soil moisture in the soil. And I've got a notification saying the pot plant is wet and it is giving me a reading of the percentage. Thank you.